Kisses, kisses.
Don't, no.
Give Daisy kisses. Give Daisy kisses. Kisses, kisses. Kisses. Oh. Give Daisy a kiss. Oh, give Daisy a kiss. Daisy giving you kisses, Em? You love Daisy?
No.
Yes, you do. Daisy a good girl?
Emma,
So listen, guys, the reason
be nice to Harley.
is because he was taking care
You love Holly too?
of you guys went through shopping without her.
Told you that would happen. Okay, look, this is her first time being a bridesmaid, and she's getting a little crazy with it. She keeps
Emma,
going to
you love the puppies?
another
Yes, you do.
and they're all about getting naked and
Emma.
touching each other.
Emma, you want a brother or a sister?
No.
You want a puppy? Do you want a brother or a sister?
Figure out if our cycles
A brother?
synced up so we can call ourselves
Sister?
extra tears.
You want a doggy?
It would be easier to look at dresses one time without
You gonna love the baby?
feel terrible. You know, me too. We'll talk.
You love the baby?
Raj did it. And he says he would do it again. Hey, I'm sorry. You sent me the picture. I wasn't thinking.
Giddy up.
Hey, I'm actually pretty good at not blabbing. You told me tons of stuff about these guys when I had to repeat.
You love the puppies? I am.
What are you telling?
You love the puppies?
You know, just